Good morning everyone, this is Julie from Totally Holistic Health and today is Tuesday, so today it's Top Therapy Tips Tuesday. Too many days in there, can't get my head around that. Anyway, today we're going to talk about a really good breathing exercise. It's basically a yogic practice, it's pranayama. But it has been, I've seen it quite a lot more common in sort of various other different practices. It's actually particularly good when you're pregnant, if you're in labour, so it's a really good breath for pain. It's also a really good breath for if you're feeling stressed, and it's a really short breath that you can do anywhere if you're feeling really sort of in the car or at some traffic lights or in the office, or if you just need that couple of minutes out just to yourself, just to de-stress and like go, oh, it's a really good breath to sort of learn. It's called the golden thread breath. It's also known as a feather breath, or it can be called a candle breath as well. And the premise behind it is what we're trying to do is allow the out breath to be longer than your in breath. And it's actually that longer out breath that just allows the whole of your body just to go really like, calm down a little bit. And it's a breath that we breathe in through the nose and then we breathe out through the mouth. So if you can imagine, when we're breathing out through the mouth, we're just very gently parting the lips and we're just very gently breathing out. So you're just imagining, that's what I call the golden thread breath. We're just trying to imagine all that stress just leaving out your mouth, just like a thread of breath, just filling up that room, just taking all that stress away from you. And if you're imagining it as a feather breath, just imagine you've got a feather in front of you, and as you're breathing out just enough so that the fronds of that feather sort of start to flutter. And again, if it's candle breath, you can use the same sort of imagery. If you've got a little candle flame, and as you're breathing out, it's just enough so that that candle breath or that candle flame just flickers a little bit as you're breathing out. So it's a really gentle, long out breath. And again, if you want to do it with a feather or a candle, it's quite nice because then you get that idea of it. Obviously, if you've got one of those handy, if you haven't, then just imagine. So it's best to do it sitting up. So what we're trying to do is just allow that stress to go. And if you're using it for pain, when we do the in breath, what we're trying to do is just imagine if you've got pain in your neck or your back or any joints or anything, what we're trying to do is imagine you're breathing in all that air into that particular area. So try to breathe in, but focusing on the area that feels a little bit of discomfort or pain. And as you're breathing out, what we're trying to do is just imagine that pain just leaving your body. So it's really nice just using that stress, sort of taking that stress away, taking all that lovely energy out of that pain and in that discomfort. We're just letting it go as you're breathing out. So let's go through a couple of rounds together. So again, upright is best rather than laying down flat. So what we're going to do is breathing in through your nose. So breathing in. And then when you've breathed in, we're going to very gently part the lips. So just imagine sort of very gently allowing the teeth just to gently open, and you're breathing out very slowly through those parted lips. So it's like a little flickering that candle. Breathing back in. Just parting those lips, very gently breathing out. And breathing back in. Just imagine that stress just leaving your body as you take that out breath. Then you can continue on doing that as long as you need to. As I said, it's a really nice short breath. But again, it's really accessible to use whenever you want to. And again, they do use it a lot in labour as well. So again, if you're pregnant or you have done pregnancy yoga or something like that, you probably used it along those lines as well. But anyway, let me know how you get on with that one. It's a really lovely breath to get to learn. And again, it's so easy. And again, you can sort of mix it into your day whenever you feel you need to. So until next time, take care. See you then. Bye.